Good morning. We're gonna make one of my favorite, everybody has a banana bread. There's a million recipes out there and I'm gonna make one, but this one is a vegan banana bread, which you don't find very often. It's actually really, really good, really simple. And you're asking, why does a guy who owns an Italian sausage company making vegan banana bread? Because it's a good recipe and it's easy and it's something I wanna show you. First things first, bananas, 3 of them. Overripes, mostly ripes. Peel them and put them in a bowl. This is a baking tool of some kind. I know you use it to mix butter and flour together to make the little crumbles when you're baking. I'm not a big baker, so I don't really know what this thing is called, but I use it to mash and smash the bananas. And just looking to make a paste out of it, that's all. Well, look who came to join the party. Okay, we're gonna add 1/3 of a cup of sugar. And vegetable oil, I'm using olive oil. It all works fine. There you go. Looks great. 2 cups of flour. 1. 2. 1 teaspoon baking soda. Baking soda. Salt. 1 teaspoon. Yeah, we're gonna put the recipe up there for you. And vanilla paste. It says 2 teaspoons. I like this, I'm sorry, vanilla. I like this vanilla paste. So 1, 2. Mix it. Okay, you can bake it just like this. It's great, ready to go. Or you can add some nuts. I am adding nuts. Some people would normally add walnuts. Today I'm adding pecans. You can add chocolate chips if you'd like. You can do both. There you go. Bread pan. In she goes. You gotta grease the bread pan, so I just used some butter, paper towel, wiped it in all the cracks and crevices, all along the side, obviously the bottom. Ready to go. In the oven, 25, 35 minutes. It's a great banana bread recipe. Really simple. Okay, banana bread is done. Took me about 50 minutes, 50 minutes, probably because of my oven, but just keep checking it, do the toothpick test, you know, put a toothpick in, if it comes out wet, put it back in, another 5-10 minutes, comes out dry, it's done. So this is done. Place smells amazing. I'm just gonna let it cool in a rack for about 10-15 minutes, take it off the rack, take it out of the pan, run a knife around it, let it cool off a little bit more, slice myself a piece, put some butter on it, and call it a day. Please follow me, YouTube, on YouTube, Make It Italian 1, and we're just gonna cook some recipes. Some with sausage, my brand, Make It Italian. Others, simple, easy recipes that I like to cook. Hope to see you next time.